Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DA Solutions. In today's video, we will be exploring another Zoho finance product, Zoho Expense, a powerful cloud-based expense management software that helps business automate their expense reporting, streamline approvals, and gain better control over spending. Before getting into the video, let's understand more on Zoho Expense. Zoho Expenses an all-in-one expense management solution that simplifies how companies handle employee reimbursement, business travel expenses, and corporate spending. Zoho Expense help you move away from manual paperwork and spreadsheets to a fully automated digital process. So let's check some of the key features that make Zoho Expense stand out. The main one is receipt scanning. Zoho simply click a photo of your receipt and the Zoho Expense automatically reads the data. It is also perfect for global businesses that operates across different countries. Ensure compliance with company policies by setting spending limits, creating multi-level approvals, manage entire business travel from one place like flight booking, hotel stays, etc. Automatically fetch card transaction and reconcile them easily. Get detailed insights into your company's spending patterns with powerful analytical reports. So let's check how this process works. For that, we can create a trip for each employees. As you can see, this is admin view, and for an admin there will be two views named my view and admin view, and please note that this is available for admin view only, and for all the employees there will be my view only. So let's check how this process works. For that, first of all, you have to create a trip. After that, capture receipts through mobile or web. Zoho Expense automatically create expense entries. Okay, so group related expenses into a report. Submit the report for approvals, and once approved, finance team can process reimbursement instantly. It's that simple, from recording to reimbursement. And one of the best part of Zoho Expenses is integration with other Zoho apps like Zoho Books, Zoho CRM, Zoho Project, and as well as external tools also such as Zoho Books, Slack, Zero, etc. So that's a quick introduction to Zoho Expense. In our upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into real-time scenarios such as creating expenses, setting up approval workflows, and integrating with Zoho Books. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a great day.